First, we're going to take a little trip to the Dollar Tree. And for the record, today is Tuesday. Today is Wednesday, August 14th. We're at Dollar Tree. Oh no, this place looks bad. Why are the shelves empty here? I came to do a little walkthrough to see their fall decor. If you were watching, you saw my cleaning the Dollar Tree. They need my help, obviously. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I didn't come here to clean today. But, so they still have a little bit of summer stuff out. They have these plastic tablecloths.
Are you putting that on YouTube?
Yeah, yeah. And these cups here for the summer. Is that a coconut?
Yes.
I guess it's like a little, oh yeah, a little coconut cup to drink out of to make it seem like you're on Hawaii or somewhere. And then we have these cups here. This little wall hanger, wall decoration. These little swirly things. They got some coastal stuff. Current coastal clamshells, calm sandcastles, catch. And then this little flower dishcloth. And ooh, these little flower hair clips. Three different.
I want to get this someday later once you let me get like a toy.
Okay. They have back to school stuff.
Catch butterflies. For my room.
We'll always have this kind of thing here. Pens, and they got some construction paper. Ooh, these little notebooks. Look at this.
I need those.
A planner.
I think I need.
They give you guys scissors.
That's pretty cool. Those little scarecrows.
Oh, I like this part. I got flamingo.
And then there's this little thing. Not sure what this is supposed to be. Just says decor. They have some pumpkin ones. One of these with a leaf on it. Some table things. Then over here is the area that I had cleaned earlier. It looks like a lot of people took these little napkin things. I guess these aren't even napkin holders. These are, just says decor. So I guess you can put whatever you want inside this part here. These leaf scatter, more scarecrow. Then we have a whole bunch of these little things. And this Dollar Tree loves to have these kind of things here. These little signs that flip around. Happy Harvest. This one's cute. It's a little chalkboard. And then give thanks. Always have that. And then there's a sign here. Bless this home. Pumpkins. Other little picks, pumpkin stuff.
Ooh.
You like those? These little owls.
Still, I'm saving.
I don't really pay attention to fall decor until at least September. I know a lot of stores and even everybody on YouTube seems to be going to fall, but I am just here to share what I'm seeing because I'm not doing any fall work on my channel right now, and I'm not buying anything either. So I'll either use what I have or wait until September. They have a lot of Halloween type stuff too. So they have this little felt scatter stuff.
Even the skeleton thing.
Yeah, this little skeleton.
Bats.
For like the ooh, little eyeballs.
And it even has
Oh yeah, the painting kit.
They had
This is a little color your own set here with the fall colors. And then they have one for the turkey. And these little clothespin clips. This is cute. These are cute. And these felt pins. Yep. Oh, you want it? Yeah, this would be nice.
Since there's
You want some fall decor in your room?
There's nothing up there.
Okay, you convinced me. I said I wasn't gonna buy fall stuff, but I guess I will. Here, you can hold that. I don't have any pumpkins with the fabric on them though. And then there's the ribbon. I really like ribbon, even though I don't always know what to do with it. Oh yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, this is like some fancier ribbon. Ooh, this one's cute. It has the shiny metallic gold. This is cute too. All right, I said I wasn't gonna buy anything, but I actually like this.
I like these.
I'm getting this one. I'm gonna use this for something. I don't know what. Oh, there's all these little pumpkins here. These are cute. These are like ceramic. The gather sign. And then there's these little interesting things. Looks like candy. More of the same stuff over here, except these plates are different. Ooh, these little things. This is nice. I actually like these colors too. We're just.
Hi, Mommy.
They want to be in the video, but we're just gonna stop and grab some ice cream at the creamery. See, we're at the ice cream place, and these people have their dogs sitting up on the picnic table. Now, you tell me, how is that okay when this is where people eat?
Dogs on the table.
Yeah.
That must be illegal.
You said it must be illegal?
It must be against the law. That's what illegal means.
Well, the next morning,